Do you want a simple and smooth zoom in and out effect in Premiere Pro? I will show you how you can easily do it. After you've placed your clips in the order you like, you have to place the cursor a couple of frames before the end of your first clip, or on the place of your clip where you want it. Here, click on the little time watch. Now a new mark appears here. Do this for both scale and position. Leave the settings untouched, go to the end of the clip, and zoom into the clip and adjust the position. Repeat this step to every scene you think a zoom fits. Don't forget to mark the markings you made. Right-click them and click Temporal Interpolation. Here you have a couple of options you can choose. I go with Ease In and Ease Out. That way, the zoom looks way smoother. Since I didn't cut the video, you can see this effect just takes a couple of seconds.